Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we disable adaptive brightness in our Samsung mobile. Friends, you want to disable your adaptive brightness mode setting in your Samsung phone. So how can we disable and how can you disable in your phone? In this video friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, first of all we will on our phone setting to disable it. Then guys scroll it. And display setting fans, tap your fan scroll fans, you can see your active brightness mode setting fans. So when right side this icon guys, you can see in your Samsung phone. So you want to disable your adaptive brightness fans, you can disable. After disable guys, you can use your brightness setting according to yourself guys. You want to set into like medium, default size and low and high. You can use your brightness setting according to yourself guys. So when adaptive brightness will disable, then guys your brightness will not increase and decrease automatic. You can set your brightness level according to yourself. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye guys.